Hi, and welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Programming Artificial Intelligence in Unity. I'm Dr. Penny DeBale, and I'm going to take you on a journey across the vast realm that is AI and non-player character development in games using Unity and C#. But don't think for a moment that you're going to sit back and watch me do all the coding. This course is very practical, and you'll be following along through each workshop to recreate the AI techniques I'm about to introduce to you. In Section 1, we will start with a gentle introduction to vector mathematics. Vector mathematics, I hear you say. What's that got to do with AI? Well, much more than you might think. If you want to move a character around in a game environment, then vector mathematics is your friend. But don't worry, if mathematics isn't your forte, if you can add two numbers together, you'll be just fine. In Section 2, we will begin applying your vector mathematics skills to develop NPCs that can move themselves around a game environment towards a goal. In addition, we'll throw in some simple steering calculations so the characters can turn corners to follow a moving target. Following this, in Section 3, I'll teach you about waypoints and how they can be used in games for characters that need to travel from one point to another or around a map or circuit. Also, we will implement the Unity supplied car waypoint and car AI assets and take a good look at what makes them tick. Section 4 begins with a little theory on graphs. Not the types of graphs for drawing lines and points, but a special and powerful structure used in almost all AI techniques for mapping out AI navigation and behaviour. We'll then apply this to setting up a circuit for an NPC to follow and provide it with commands as to where we'd like it to go. Next, we'll move on to nav meshes. These are space dividing constructs that will take your NPC movement to another level. You're going to find them so powerful and yet easy to use that you'll wish you'd been using them from the very moment you started using Unity. In Section 6, we'll continue using nav meshes, but will involve large groups of NPCs all moving around the same space to simulate crowds. We will have fun creating a city sidewalk scene, as well as examining how to make crowds panic and flee. In this section, we'll also look at my all-time favourite AI technique, flocking, and we'll use it to create a lifelike fish tank. To finish off our investigation of game AI, we'll move from navigation methods to decision-making methods. The top 3 will be presented, where you'll learn to program an NPC to detect the presence of a player, we'll work with finite state machines, and then develop behaviour trees. Throughout, you'll find challenging exercises to help you assess your learning and stretch your imagination with all the possibilities that knowing about AI and its use in games is going to bring to your own projects. So take a deep breath and fill up those coffee cups. It's time to take your games to a new level.